How to change currency on the Binance application. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now once inside the Binance app, all you have to do is to click on this button right here at the corner of your screen, which is the Binance button. Right after that, at the top right corner, you will then be able to see the gear icon, which is for settings. And inside settings, we then have the ability to click on currency. From here, you can just go ahead and search the currency that you want to change into. In my case, I have USDT right here. And if you want to change into something like your own currency, you can just go ahead and click it right here. And it will now change the currency for the Binance application. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.